potential. It's an exciting prospect offering several benefits such as global reach, round-the-clock availability, and cost-effectiveness. However, it doesn't come without its challenges. From identifying the right niche to dealing with logistics, it's a journey filled with numerous decisions. But don't fret. Today we're going to break down the process into easy, manageable steps. The first step in starting an e-commerce store is conducting market research. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly does this entail? Well, market research is all about understanding the landscape of your business. It's about knowing your target audience and identifying your competitors. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving a crime, you're solving the puzzle of what will make your e-commerce store successful. Consider your target audience. Who are they? What do they want? What do they need? These questions are essential to answer because they will guide your decisions about what products to sell and how to sell them. There are many ways to explore customer needs, such as surveys, social media listening, and even good old-fashioned conversations. If you can tap into what your customers want and need, you're already halfway there. But understanding your customers is only half the battle. You also need to understand your competitors. Who are they? What are they offering? How do they market their products? Analyzing your competitors can provide valuable insights and can help you identify opportunities to differentiate your store. For instance, maybe your competitors all sell similar products, but none of them offer free shipping. That's an opportunity for you to stand out. Additionally, market research involves identifying trends. What's popular? What's on the rise? What's on the way out? Trends can be a great way to predict what products might be popular in the future. This can be a bit tricky because trends can change quickly, but by keeping a finger on the pulse of the market, you can stay ahead of the curve. Lastly, remember that market research isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. The market is always changing, and so are your customers' needs. So keep researching, keep learning, and keep adapting. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions about what products to sell and how to position your store. Market research isn't just about gathering information, it's about using that information to make strategic decisions that will help your e-commerce store thrive. So put on your detective hat and let's start investigating. With your market research in hand, it's time to create a business plan. A business plan is your strategic guide, a document that outlines your business's future trajectory. It's critical because it helps you establish your goals, identify potential obstacles, and decide on strategies to overcome them. For an e-commerce store, your business plan should first include an executive summary. This offers an overview of your business and your plans in a condensed form. Following this, a company description provides information about what you sell and what makes you unique. Your market analysis should delve into your research findings, detailing the industry outlook and target market. The organization and management section outlines your business structure and team. Your product line section describes what you're selling, while the marketing and sales section lays out how you plan to attract and retain customers. Lastly, financial projections give a forecast of your revenue and expenses. A well-written business plan can be your roadmap to success. Now let's talk about building your online store. Creating a user-friendly website is the cornerstone of your e-commerce venture. It's the digital storefront where you'll showcase your products, engage with customers, and ultimately make your sales. First, let's consider the essential features of an e-commerce site. At the top of the list are your product descriptions. These need to be clear, detailed, and engaging, providing all the information a customer needs to make a purchasing decision. Next, you'll need a shopping cart feature. This allows customers to select multiple items before proceeding to checkout. A well-designed shopping cart not only keeps track of what a customer has selected, but also provides options for adding or removing items, viewing product details, and continuing shopping. Then, there's the payment gateway. This is the system that processes transactions, accepting payments from customers and transferring them to you. It's crucial to choose a secure and reliable payment gateway to ensure smooth transactions and protect your customers' data. Don't forget about customer service. This includes FAQs, return policies, and contact information for support. Exceptional customer service not only resolves issues, but also builds trust and loyalty among your customers. Now, how do you go about developing your website? Well, you have a couple of options. The first is using an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms provide ready-made templates and integrated features, making it easy to set up your online store even without coding knowledge. Your second option is hiring a web developer. This is a good choice if you want a unique, custom-designed website, or if you have specific requirements that can't be met by a template. A web developer can build your site from scratch, ensuring it's perfectly tailored to your business needs. Whichever route you choose, remember that your website should reflect your brand and offer a seamless shopping experience. It should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. Remember, your website is your online storefront, so make it appealing and easy to use. Once your website is up and running, you need to attract customers. But how? The answer lies in effective online marketing strategies, and we're about to dive into 4 key ones. First, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. It's about understanding what your potential customers are searching for online, then making sure your website is designed to be found by those searches. And remember, good SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, but the payoff is worth it. Next up, content marketing. This strategy revolves around creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. It could be blog posts, videos, infographics, or even podcasts. The idea is to provide content that solves problems, answers questions, or entertains, creating a relationship with your audience that can lead to trust and ultimately conversion. Now let's touch on social media marketing. With billions of people using social media platforms every day, your potential customers are definitely there. The trick is to figure out where your audience hangs out and then create engaging content for those platforms. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, each platform has its unique characteristics and audience, so tailor your content accordingly. And lastly, we have email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains an incredibly effective way to reach your customers directly. With personalized messages, you can nurture relationships, promote new products, or offer exclusive deals. So, there you have it. SEO to make sure your site is found, content marketing to engage and build trust, social media marketing to reach your audience where they are, and email marketing to keep the conversation going. Each of these strategies plays a crucial role in driving traffic to your e-commerce store and converting visitors into customers. Remember, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all situation. It's about finding what works best for your brand and audience. Experiment, analyze, and adjust as needed. A successful marketing strategy can help you reach your target audience and boost sales. Before you launch your e-commerce store, you need to sort out the legalities and logistics. First and foremost, registering your business is paramount. This not only keeps you within the legal framework, but also boosts your credibility with customers. Next, you need to become familiar with e-commerce laws. These laws cover everything from digital marketing to data protection and privacy. Understanding them is crucial to avoid legal hiccups down the line. Now let's talk logistics. Shipping and returns are 2 areas that can make or break your e-commerce business. Customers want their purchases delivered quickly and cheaply, and they appreciate a hassle-free return policy. So spend some time crafting policies that work for both your business and your customers. Also, you can't sell what you don't have. Hence, inventory management is another essential aspect to consider. It's a delicate balance. You don't want to overstock and tie up your capital, but you also don't want to risk running out of popular items. And finally, reliable suppliers are the backbone of your e-commerce store. Without them, you won't have products to sell. So build strong relationships with your suppliers and make sure they can meet your demands. Although these details may seem daunting, they are crucial for running a successful e-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store can be a rewarding venture. We've journeyed together through the crucial steps to make this dream a reality. We began with market research, understanding the importance of knowing your audience and competition. Then we dove into crafting a solid business plan, a blueprint that would guide your e-commerce journey. Next, we got our hands dirty with website development, creating an online platform that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also user-friendly and functional. We also explored marketing strategies, discovering how to attract and retain customers in this digital arena. Then, we tackled the legalities and logistics, ensuring that your e-commerce store operates within the law and delivers products efficiently. Remember, each of these stages comes with its own unique challenges. But with persistence, creativity, and a dash of courage, you can overcome these hurdles. With careful planning and execution, you can turn your e-commerce dream into reality.